How do you become better at something? By doing it on a regular basis. Choosing to do the 100-day project has been the best decision I've made for improving my art. There are so many ways to draw a portrait in pen, and my goal for this project was to try as many as possible. One method is stippling. Although it looks simple, let me tell you, it is a test of patience. So instead of using just one fine tip pen, I use at least two. The fatter nib covers up the surface quickly and is perfect for dark values, while the thinner nib is ideal for light values like highlights. Another method is drawing short strokes. My favorite tool is the 0.05mm pen because it's ideal for drawing fine hair. The closer you draw the lines, the darker the value will be. For this portrait, I drew inspiration from a doodle calligraphy project I had done 2 years ago of 26 letters of the alphabet. The most fun part was drawing whatever I felt like drawing, which in this case was a combination of doodles, lines, and dots. These are just some of the many ways of drawing in pen. How you choose to combine these techniques is up to you. Just remember to enjoy the process and have fun drawing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.